Blood, sweat, and tears has gone into getting this internship. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hao and today I will be sharing my experience in getting an internship with a top investment bank on the street. What I did to get there and how you can too. Well, it's bloody hard and I'm not gonna lie. Blood, sweat and tears has gone into getting this internship. I remember crying after the recruiter called me and told me I got the offer. I was bawling my eyes out. For anyone who knows, investment banking is incredibly difficult and very challenging and very competitive to get an internship. So before I get into the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share my video on your social media platforms. Thank you so much. Okay. How did I get an internship in M&A with a top investment bank without going to a Russell Group university? For those who don't know, Russell Group Universities is a collection of universities in the UK that are well-funded, well-established and well-known, very much similar to the Ivy League in America. Russell Group members you might have heard of are Oxford, Cambridge, LSE, Durham, Bristol, and your girl went to Royal Holloway University, which is not in the top 10, but it is there with the bougie-ish universities. Come on, we have that connection with royalty. And I have identified 5 key factors that helped me to secure an internship with Credit Suisse. I studied economics at university. When I was in college, I wanted to study economics at university regardless of where I end up. I did economics at A-level and really enjoyed it, so I wanted to carry on with the subject. In investment banking, classic subjects like economics, maths, finance and accounting, physics, even English and history are pretty much favored because of the skills student gains from these courses, like analytical, problem solving, think outside the box type of attributes. And I think it balanced out for the lack of top 10 university I have on my CV. The second factor is my work experience. I started building my work experiences and my CV back in school. As soon as I got my national insurance number, I was hunting for work experiences. Any chance to shadow a professional or attending workshop, I was on it because I realized from early on work experience is extremely important. Being proactive and being around professionals in a work environment help you to mature as a person. And this is extremely important in investment banking when you are working on transactions worth billions and dealing with clients from, the top FTSE 100 companies. And of course, getting high pay, so the bank expects you to worth that price. By the time I got the offer from Credit Suisse, I had about 6 different work experiences under my belt. And if you think your work experiences and subjects are not enough, well, the third is extracurricular activities. You have to be good academically and being proactive and also doing something else outside of academic. University, I was an active member of the economics department. I was a course rep and departmental representative for 2 years. I organized social events for the economics department and also took part in other activities with other clubs on campus. Investment banks want to see that you can work as a team, so if you play a sport, make sure you put this on your CV. Fourth factor is networking. In first year of university, I was building my LinkedIn profile using the platform to reach out to analysts and associates in other investment banks and just ask them for a phone call or a coffee talk. This was a great way for me to network and also to understand what analysts and associates do on a day-to-day basis. One thing I did not do enough was reaching out to Royal Holloway alumni who are working in the top financial institutions. If you are just starting out and looking to build your network, I definitely recommend reaching out to your university alumni. It is super easy to search for them on LinkedIn, so make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. I will do a video on how to network because, oh boy, I have seen really keen beans all over my inbox, and I want to give my time and effort to the ones who are genuine. So if you are liking the video so far, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And last but not least, prepare. Like they say, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Work on your maths and really practice these online tests. Take it seriously. I actually bought this pack of online tests just to practice and getting used to that time pressure. As part of the application process for all internships, you have to do an online test. So make sure you pass with flying colors by practice. Read the news and keep up to date with what is going on in the markets. Newspapers like the Financial Times is very popular with bankers. Otherwise, Bloomberg is also another good alternative. Practice interviewing skills. I did this a lot with my university career service, just to get used to talking about your profile and why you want to work in investment banking. And because of the network that I built, some analysts and associates did give me tips and advice right before the interview or assessment centers. I think it was a very big crucial in my success in getting an internship. So make sure you network well, just to give you an idea of how competitive it is for internships, and not just in investment banking but also in other industries as well. I must have applied to around 60 companies and secured around 10 to 15 interviews and less than 5 assessment centers. If I'm being honest, I do believe there is a bit of luck element in here. You can prepare to perfection and have the perfect answer to everything, but there are other factors that play the part in getting an internship. So if you get rejected, don't feel disheartened. Just pick yourself up, dust it off, and carry on. That is it for today. I have shared with you all the tips and steps I did to secure an M&A internship with Credit Suisse. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!